What's going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and today I'm taking you back to Western Express Rally 2017. I know that's way back there, but the rallies take a long time to edit, so we'll just pretend it took me a year to get around to this one. Of course, we all just got back from Hoovie's bachelor party in Eureka Springs. That was great fun. I figured, hey, we had one 3-day trip right there. Let's just do another 3 or 4 day trip. I think this one was a 3-day trip, but I'll divide the video into days like I always do, so each day is a video. So this rally was at a weird place in my life where I called the Lamborghini Huracan the Huracan, so you're gonna need to ignore every single time I said Huracan in this video, because the correct way to pronounce it is Lamborghini Huracan, and you know, the H is silent, so I figured I'd just take like the American pronunciation of it, which is Huracan, and get rid of the H. It didn't work out, it sounds really dumb, but just pretend I said Huracan every time. Vehicle Virgins was on this one, Parker, Rob Dahm was on this one. We spent a lot of time at Speed Society's headquarters. This rally was amazing, and at the end you get to see me vandalize Parker's car. But he wasn't too upset about it, and we had lots of fun that night. It was a great time. That said, here's the rally. Enjoy! It should be noted in this video, the Huracan is running the Dime Racing kit.
Good morning, ladies. There was actually a whole fleet of Huracans right here, and they all left because we wanted to sleep. It's okay, the sleep was worth it. Forget those guys. I was ready for a cold start this morning. Bye, La Jolla. It's been fun. What's up, Ari? And here we are with the fam. This GTR looks amazing in the color flip. Color flip?
What's up, dude?
What's up, Ed?
What up, man?
I was coming over here to tell Parker we got something coming up for him. He'll find out. Don't worry about it, nothing. It's that one. Oh. Here we are pulling in the Speed Society garage. It's Rob Dahm. His tag says Dahm. Speed Society just made it happen. Lots of Gas Monkey energy to keep us powered on the trip.
What's up, guys?
So,
About to do this.
there we go. Here goes the Diablo. Behind us we have Huracan, Hellcat, Z06.
Just rolls right on in behind the guns.
I'll just block him in.
Yeah. Rolling through Pack Beach. The Rust Hell Kitty. Huracan's up front. Hop on over. That may be the most pop-pops that's ever happened in the world. Here we are pulling up to the Porsche Experience Center. Look at all the Porsches. Here we are, the Porsche Experience Center. We're ready to hop inside, see some race cars, some 918s.
There's a 918 in there?
There's a 918 in there, dude. All right, let's get in here. All right, here we are, 918 land.
I love this. I'm a terrible driver.
Privately owned. It's beautiful. One of these days I'll do that martini livery on the garage door. That's what I was talking about. 919. Race car lab over here. Look at those drivetrains. Look at this arrow. Exhibit. One of my favorites, the 110. I don't care what people have to say about the 110. It's amazing. Bugatti's first vehicle. Oh, we need to get Jose's reaction to this mansion on wheels. Oh,
Sick!
it is so sick. It's so much better than all the other P1s.
In full carbon, it just...
Look at all the carbon in the dash. when she says her parents aren't home. Okay, I can't take pictures of everything in this room. It's just too much. But we are in the Seeing Red room, the Ferrari exhibit at the Petersen. A57s, all the original race cars are in here. An F1 car. Alex Tillman, the Ferrari of photographers. It's one of the new F1 cars. This is, you know, this is the only thing that anyone cares about, right? Michael Schumacher drove this one though. Try to keep this video short so we can get it up quickly. Aero, Carbon, amazing. Older, one of Niki Lauda's F1 cars. If you haven't watched that movie, you need to watch that movie. That guy's amazing. The GTO and the loft.
I love being unique. Like that makes you feel good. But there was like 2 or 3 off-roaders at SEMA, 1 918 and then 0 P1. Yeah. We got much here. Yeah. That's just like, yeah, that's
The sunset blast in the hotel. TJ. If you ain't first, you're last! Here with Parker's twin turbo Dahm racing car, and we're just getting the branding put on it because it wasn't done when it left Dahm. So we're gonna throw these on real quick. It should look cool. Go ahead and do 2 of them just to make sure we've got some symmetry and to make sure the car is fast. We also have some official twin turbo decals to put on it. This one should be nice. That way everyone knows what kind of setup it's rocking. Twin turbo. Go. Centered up nicely. Few wrinkles, but no big deal because it's just in the transfer tape. Car's still fast. All right, one more. It's such a pretty spoiler. I don't know how fast this decal is actually. It could be one of the slower ones.
There's a lot of horsepower there already.
Yeah, but the twin turbos really, they're what make it happen for the car, I think. Yeah, buddy, there you go. You guys saw it here first. I mean, you saw the Dahm racing car versus the VF engineering car. You saw, you know, the branding go on the Dahm car.
And that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time.